Hey, Sean's Boosted Garage here with you again today. Got another quick tip video coming up. Today I'm going to show you how to pack a bearing by hand. All you need is a bearing, tub of grease, whatever you want to use. This is a wheel bearing grease like EP2 or something like that is fine, and a pair of gloves. That's it. There's nothing to it, and a rag too. So I'll show you how to do it properly and show you how you might be tempted to do it. But I'm going to show you a technique that should make it pretty straightforward. Okay, so here we go. Let's put some gloves on. The idea behind this is that we're just trying to force grease into this bottom side, so it comes kind of up through that the space between the bearings, between the rollers, and will come out through the top. You could be tempted just to grab a whole bunch of grease and smear it all over it and roll it around, and I'm going to say that's the wrong way to do it. This way I'm going to show you. It's pretty easy. There's not much to it, and it doesn't take long either. You can probably be done this in 2 minutes or something. So anyways, all I do is just grab a bunch of grease. Now the idea behind it, like I said, you're trying to push the grease from the bottom out through the top. So all I do is I just grab a little bit of the grease each time. And so that should be. Now you see there, let's see if I can get you better. I think you can see it there. There's some grease that is squeezed in through the top here. So you just keep doing that. You go all the way around the bearing. You may have to get more bearing or more grease. Just keep doing that. Well, you can see it there really good now. So that's all you do. Just keep going. There. Now, I'm not going to continue to do this bearing. This bearing doesn't actually need to be greased, but it was just one I had here to show you. So just so you can get the idea of it. So that's it, really. You would continue on, fill up the whole bearing, then you could spin it around and whatever, and wipe off all the excess, whatever you want to do. So anyways, it's just another little quick tip for you. So that's it. That's all there is to greasing a bearing by hand. You can buy special tools to do it if you want, but you don't need to, really. You can see what it took me, like a minute, and I had half the bearing done. So it doesn't take long, and it's just a quick way of greasing a bearing, especially like your home in the garage, or maybe your bearing went in your travel trailer or utility trailer or whatever. Well, now you know how to grease them on the side of the road. You don't need a grease gun. You can just buy a tub of grease and a new bearing, and away you go. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. And if you have any ideas of any tips you'd like, any garage tips you'd like to know about, just put in the comments down below, and I'll see if I can come up with a video. And if I don't know how to do it, I'll figure out how to do it, and I'll show you, and we'll learn together. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.